So, good morning, everybody who's joined us today for another empowering morning conversation. So, we started a little early, but that's good. So, as people are joining in, let's take this opportunity to celebrate a milestone for of one of our members. His name is Suresh Kumar, and a very happy birthday to you once again, Suresh. So, why don't we start with you sharing how many milestones and what great achievements you've done in your life so far? There's no better way of celebrating than to acknowledge our achievements, right? So you are muted right now. So would you like to unmute yourself?
Yes, sir. Yes. It was, really, I'm thankful to everyone, those who participated in my life, and I have achieved, as per me, at my level of this thing, I'm achieved a lot. I'm a happy person now. Maybe after, 92, I did forum. After that, my life has changed completely, U-turn. Sadness or kind of thing to happiness, generating. I started practicing, generating happiness and being with people, making relations strong. And since then, whomever I met, they are with me. Those whom I lost, I miss them, but otherwise, everyone is with me, and everyone loves me, and I love everyone. This is how my life is expanding. I got married, I got two children, both are employed. I mean, happy completely. There is no other word to tell that.
Vetrivel, can you let Shakti in?
Sir.
So wonderful, Suresh. You keep on achieving more milestones.
Thank you,
Now,
sir.
next, you'll be celebrating grandchildren, marriages,
Yes, yes, yes.
right? And so on and so forth. So, what a wonderful life it is, isn't it?
Yes, sir. Yes. Excellent. It's really, I'm blessed with so many people, coming into my life.
Wonderful. So, good morning, everybody, once again. And we are celebrating our 96th session of the morning empowering conversations. So, the design of these conversation is that we come here every morning to get a dose of positivity, to learn techniques and exercises which will keep us positive in the face of so much negativity that is bombarding us day to day. The human beings get influenced very easily. We get influenced through our feelings, and our feelings are bombarded by so many negative inputs in the news, in the newspaper, in the media, on the internet, and even our friends when they talk to us. Negative talk seems to be happening quite often, more often than I would like. So we thought, why don't we do something about it? So if we flood this world with our positivity, and if ripples of positivity go out from each and every person who comes on this call, see, when you become positive, your family becomes positive. So we all influence hundreds of people, maybe even thousands of people indirectly. So can you imagine a person like Suresh Kumar when he meets his clients and he meets 20, 30 of his staff members every day, or Mr. Rao Garu, he goes and meets all his company people, and every one of us, wherever we are, whatever we do, we impact so many lives, right? So if we are positive and we bring a smile to someone and we change somebody's mindset, so instead of looking at doom and gloom, if people around us, they start seeing possibilities. There is something, people start to believe that I can do something to change the world. If people start believing that I can do something to change the world and make it to be the way I want it to be, I can change the atmosphere at home. I can change the atmosphere in my family. I can make a change. I don't have to give up and be resigned. कि भाई भारत में तो ऐसा ही होता है. It's not like that, isn't it? It's much more than that. So we have our positivity motto. We have a purpose for being here. And when we spread this positivity, then I recall the access consciousness mantra, which is all of life comes to me with ease, joy, and glory. So I've been studying Access Consciousness for the whole of last year and continues this month also, program after program, to raise my consciousness and help me to raise the consciousness of people whom I touch. Right? So whatever I'm learning, I'm experiencing, I'm applying in my life and passing on information or knowledge to you only after I have applied it in my life. And when you start doing the same thing, imagine what an impact it will make in life. So that's what the purpose of these programs is. And now I'd like to invite Neeti. Good morning, Kuldeep ji. I'd like to invite Neeti to take charge of the sharing this morning. Welcome, Neeti, and a very good morning to you. I'm happy that
Thank you,
you're
sir.
feeling better.
Thank you. Thank you so much, sir. Good morning, everybody, and welcome to session number 96. We got 4 more days. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday is our first 100th session. Something to really look forward to. Every day we've been getting our dose of positivity, and it's been impacting our lives. Yesterday, we had a couple of people share how their lives have improved or what changes they're seeing in their day-to-day life by attending these sessions. I would once again like to invite those who did not get a chance to speak yesterday to first come and share, and those who spoke yesterday, if you would like to add something to what you said. Who would like to go first? Yes. I can see Shakti smiling. Shakti, would you like to go? I love that smile.
Good morning,
Yes.
ma'am. Good morning, everyone. Yeah, for me, it was extraordinary day. After a long time, I went to temple. It's like a big crowd in this pandemic. After a long time, it's like such a great vibes. I got it yesterday. It was an awesome. Also spent some time with friends. It's really awesome day.
Great. And the day is still reflecting in your smile and in your eyes, and we can see, we can be part of your enjoyment. That's lovely.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. Who would like to speak? Kuldeep sir, कल आपकी शायरी मिस की, आज double हो जाए.
Good morning, friends. Good morning. Good morning.
Morning, sir.
Yesterday, I was talking to one of my friends, and he was all grumbling about the life. कि लाइफ में ऐसा नहीं है, लाइफ में ये नहीं अचीव कर पाए, वो नहीं अचीव कर पाए. तो मैंने उनको एक शेर सुनाया जो मैं आपको भी सुनाता हूँ.
जी सर, इरशाद.
Maybe on lighter note, कि जिंदगी जब जलेबी की तरह उलझ ही गई है, जिंदगी जब जलेबी की तरह उलझ ही गई है, तो क्यों ना चाशनी में डूबकर उसका मजा लिया जाए.
Wonderful. Wonderful. That's wonderful. For sir, translate bhi kar dijiye.
When life is entangled like a jalebi, what do you call jalebi in English? I don't know.
नहीं सर, वो जलेबी तो समझ जाएंगे.
Jalebi तो समझते हैं. Life is entangled like jalebi, so why not to go deep into that chashni and enjoy the life, the sweetness of life. तो जब मैंने ये कहा तो उनको अभी एक हल्का सा लाफ्टर आ गया था. I was happy with that.
Yeah.
बिल्कुल सर.
Sir, please, after you give the translation, say the shairi once again, please. So that they get back to the shairi.
हाँ, वो ये है ना कि जब हमें लगता है कि जिंदगी में बहुत सी प्रॉब्लम आ रही है, जिंदगी उलझ गई.
No, the shairi that you told. Meaning we know. The
दोबारा
shairi.
शेर सुनाओ.
जिंदगी जब जलेबी की तरह उलझ ही गई है, जिंदगी जब जलेबी की तरह उलझ ही गई है, तो क्यों न चाशनी में डूबकर उसका मजा लिया है.
Testing.
Thank you, Kuldeep ji.
That was nice and encouraging, sweet in the morning. That's lovely. Who would like to share now?
Yeah, I wanted to share. I mean, I'm just getting a
Yeah, let the birthday boy share.
Yes.
I mean, see, when there is a highway or any road, path holes will happen sometimes. Okay, they are called difficulties. So we have to again, repair it and fill it with cement or tar, whatever, black tar kind of thing. So similarly in life also, when we have everyone will have problems, but we have to fill it up, completing with happiness. Ultimate goal is, as per my thinking, one should live happily, spend happily, and leave happiness in the world.
Thank you, sir. Sir, जब आप screen पे हैं, I would like to ask you a question. Is there any tool or technique that has really worked for you to, get back happiness in every circumstances? There are a lot of challenges that come, and obviously, आपने तो बहुत challenges देखे हैं. And can you share any specific tool that has really worked for you to, pull yourself out of depressing or a challenging situation?
Are you asking who?
It is like
सुरेश जी.
No, no. सुरेश ही को पूछ रही है.
yeah,
हाँ जी.
yeah. It's like, we have to accept the things as they come in life. If you start protecting, you will have friction and you will lose energy. So accept it. If it is acceptable, accept it. If it is not acceptable, accept and forget. This is what I mean in relations, in everywhere. No, I have done started a few business which I could not do it. Okay, I forgot. Now I am into. I mean, this is a day-to-day life, and with happiness only we can live. If I start crying, surroundings also will be, they get destroyed, their happiness. So this is my mantra. Whatever comes, I mean, accept it. You can't protect.
That's it. Yeah. That's wonderful. That's like what Sir keeps telling us: be in allowance.
Yeah.
Instead of resisting, be in allowance, and you will find new possibilities to get out of the situation.
Yes,
wonderful. Yes. That's a live example of it. Thank you so much, sir. Who would like to share next? रमा सर, आपको स्क्रीन पे नहीं देख रहे हैं, आपकी शेयरिंग बहुत दिनों से नहीं सुनी है. Would you like to say something?
You'll have to say that to him in English because he doesn't know Hindi.
Oh, so sorry. Rama sir, we've not heard from you for a long time. Would you like to share something? Rama sir, can you come on screen, please?
No, not now, Niti ji. Later on.
Okay, you'll share a little later.
We've got Anu here this morning. So let's welcome her and maybe she'd like to share something. Anu, good morning to you. Hello, Anu, are you there? Okay, that's fine. Carry on.
She'll come back a little later. Who would like to share now? Can we have some more sharings? Yes, Vitrival, please.
Good morning, Giti. Good morning, sir, and good morning to everyone again. Happy birthday to Suresh ji. Your happy smile is contagious and it infects everyone. Thank you very much for that. Of course, we had a lot of share. I just feel like sharing a 1 minute quick story which connects with the exercise what we are doing every day morning. Can I, Niti?
Please do.
Thank you very much. The story goes this way. One saint went to deep forest or kind of in a water body to meditate, to realize the soul. One small fish disturbs him. He's doing kind of meditation ups and downs. This fish disturbs his nose. Then he says, I am doing something great. Why are you disturbing? He states, the fish says, I am feeling insecure. Help me. Then he took that fish to home, put it in a glass of water. He comes back, he does his work. Next day, when he goes home, he sees the fish has grown up to the size of the glass. Then he puts into the big pot. Next day he comes, it has grown up to the size of the pot. He got surprised. The next day he put it in a big box. It is growing. Then it went on such a way that he has to put it in a big pond. There also it grows up to the size of a pond. Then finally he puts it into the ocean. What this story comes to tell us is, if you take away one good thought, a power of positive word, power of positive message, power of the inspiration, not only you are taking a good word home, it will keep growing and it will fill you and it will take care of you. That is what happening to all of us. I feel like sharing this story. Take away all the good messages, let it grow, let life changes. Over to you, Neeti.
Thank you. Very inspiring story. Very nice. Very nice. Sukhdeepak sir, I would like to just add over here, as we are approaching our 100th session, it is so inspiring to see each one coming out with their own versions of success stories from the learnings of these sessions. So it is so inspiring. And what is also very inspiring for us is this is a mixed group of all age groups. Some are older, some are younger, some are comparatively younger, kind of a situation. And when we hear everybody talking about their challenges and their struggles and how they are overcoming, it gives so much of security that what we are facing individually, each one of us, what we are facing is not something out of the blue, it is normal. And people have overcome these challenges, so we can also overcome. So that is very, very inspiring. So from here on, sir, would you like to begin today's session, or do we take a few more sharings?
No, I'd like to say something very interesting. You know, people sometimes ask me, what do you do? I said, I'm in the business of transforming lives. Really, what's that? What do you do? So I help people to overcome their problems and get what they want. Oh, what difference will it make? You know, so when they ask me that question, what difference will it make? Then I am reminded of a particular story. So once upon a time, there was this man walking on a beach. And he saw this boy at a distance doing some sort of a dance over there on the beach, you know. From a distance, it looks like he's doing some dancing. When he went closer, he saw that, you know, this fellow was picking up these starfish. The previous night, the tide would have come and all these starfish were stranded on the beach. So what he was doing was he was picking up this starfish and throwing it into the sea. So he looked at this boy and he said, what are you doing? He said, sir, last night the tide has come and it has stranded all these starfish into the sea. And you know, very soon the sun is going to come out and they will die. So this guy, he looked all around and he said, hey, thousands and thousands of starfish, what difference will you make? So the boy never said anything. He picked up another starfish and he threw it into the sea. And he said, it made a difference to that starfish. So ladies and gentlemen, when you come here, when you invite your friends here, if it made a difference to you and to your friends, then it made a huge difference. So that's what we are doing. So I say, invite everybody. Let's all get together here. You know, yesterday we were having a long debate in our core team about whether we should charge money for this or not. So finally we said we should not. And there's no need. Right? No, sir, but you know, yeah, you know, God has very interesting ways of giving back to people. So this is my seva for all of you, and I shall continue to give it. Okay, and there are plenty of ways in which people can contribute to our efforts. You know, by recommending people to our other programs if you want to. There is no compulsion, nothing. This is free. It will remain free. As long as I'm around, it will be free. We don't want to charge money. And even if we do what, I mean, not important. Right? I know you guys are very generous people. So you can show your generosity in whichever way you want or not. Choice is yours. But the only thing I ask from you today, I have a request, I have an appeal to make. It's a real, my heart's desire that, on the 100th session, we should have 100 people coming on the session. So if you want to make a contribution to all of us, do that, right? Bring 100 people to join, right? Share our videos, share my channel, let people come and see, okay? It makes a difference. Today, yesterday, Vetri said, sir, long videos, nobody wants to watch. Maybe. So we will give these small tidbits also if you wish to. But I say, whatever they watch, the guy who wants to make a difference in his life, it will make a difference in his life. I remember one thing, there's an old saying, it says, you can take the horse to the water, but you cannot make him drink. So those who drink, they will drink. So our job is just share and invite, share and invite. Those who come will come. They will join the bandwagon. They will become positivity warriors. And what a great life we will lead. So today I have a very interesting thing to say to you. But before we do that, let me do a quick reminder about what we are doing here. So we are working to make our life a life full of ease, joy, and glory. And we will not stop to do that. Right? All of life comes to me with ease, joy, and glory. Now, in this world, if you look at everybody, somewhere in the back of the mind, there is something very important or something which we give a lot of importance to. You know what that is? In Hindi, we say, सारा time लोग जो है एक ही चीज करते रहते हैं, हाई पैसा, हाई पैसा, हाई पैसा, हाई पैसा, right? That seems to be the only reason, even when we are young and they're encouraging us to take a particular course or not, say usme paisa nahi hai. When we are children, they would never encourage us to take up sports. Concentrate on your studies. You want to be successful or not? Now you will see these young bachas with these huge bags of cricket gear going with their father. Where are you going? We are going for cricket practice. You know why they're doing that now? Because if you become a cricketer, you will make crores of rupees. Everything is only driven by money, 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 money. No money, big problem. Big money, big problem. Isn't that so? So I am not concerned. It's not good. It's not bad. You need money is a unit of exchange. Everybody wants it, right? Why do you want it? Why do you want money? So that you can have all the things that money can buy. A lot of people get a lot of money. Right? Then they put it in the bank, now we will live only on our interest, you see. Why? Because when you are old, then you can really buy all the things that young people will enjoy. So even you have a lot of money, you're living like a salaried person because you're only living on the interest, you see. So this money business is something which I want to look at and see what is our relationship with it. So I'm going to ask you a very funny question. Okay? And for me to ask you that question, you have to close your eyes first. Not now. This is the question. After you read the question, somebody will read this question loudly. Vetrivel, you should read this question loudly.
Thank you very much, sir.
Slowly
How?
and
Can
slowly.
Can you hear me? Slowly.
Yes.
Okay. Thank you. How will you live your life if you get 70 crores every year?
If you get 70 crore, how will you live your life? And what will you do with it? Now I want you to close your eyes, all of you, please. I kindly request you, please close your eyes and reflect on it. How will you live your life if you get 70 crore rupees every year in your bank without fail? Don't say anything right now. Every year without fail, you are getting 70 crore rupees in your bank. How do you live your life? What would you do? every year without fail 70 crore coming into your account, what would you do with it? So if you get 70 crore rupees every year in your bank account, how would you live your life? That is for the benefit of newcomers. If you get 70 crore rupees every year in your account, what would you do with it? Now, I realize that we've got people from all age groups, so we'll get some very interesting points of view about it. So Janki has just joined. So for the benefit of Janki also, I will say, Janki, if you get 70 crore rupees in your account every year, what would you do with it?
Are you asking me, sir?
No, I'm telling you because you came late and you missed the question. So everybody is reflecting on it. Nobody is speaking right now.
Okay.
So the question is, if you get 70 crore rupees in your bank account every year,
Okay.
how would you live your life? So don't answer it yet. Think about it.
Yes.
Yeah, just mute yourself for the time being. Thank you very much for joining us today also, Janki ji. So those who have finished their reflection on it, I'd love for you to share. So you can put up your hands. Vetri and Niti. Okay, Suresh is the first one to unmute. All right, go ahead. After that, Reddy Garu. Not long lectures, please, brief and to the point. Thank you very much.
It will be very confusing time, when you get every year 70 crores and year on year you are getting. Only thing.
Simple question, Suresh Garu, birthday boy. Simple question. How would you live your life if you get, what will you do with it?
I'll be with people and those who are in need. Genuinely, genuine or not, I do not know, but I will give hand loans to people to, settle their life happily. That's it.
Okay, so we've got so many people in the line. So we will start with Reddy Garu, who was the second person. Where are you, Reddy Garu?
I'll keep 1 or 2 crores for myself and use the balance for the charity.
You will use the balance for charity. Okay, very nice. Really, would you do that? There will be rebellion in your family, you know that?
100%, sir.
Your family will throw you out of the house,
No, absolutely no problem.
Okay, thank you very much. Who's next? Kasa. I'm not able to keep track, so whoever I see, I'm going to ask them. Go ahead, Kasa.
Sir, going to be with abundance. It's, and make people around me also to live in that abundance.
Okay, that's what you're going to do, is it? So when all your money concerns are over, Gautam Badra, go ahead.
Yes, then I'll build up a institution. My ambition was for the teacher, but I'm not able to do. But at that time, I'll fulfill my intention and will going to institution and socially will pick up people or good student, but with the poor people.
Okay, very good. Thank you very much for sharing it. Who else? Don't be stingy, share. I'd like to hear from some of our...
Sir Rajasekharan.
Yes, Mr. Rajasekharan.
I will be, go back to native and spend more time with the parents and relatives and more defined life, more peaceful, more calm, and do whatever I want to do it instead of.
That's what we're asking. What is that, whatever you want to do? When money concern is no longer there, 70 crore every year, man, if you're getting that, what would you do with it? How would you live your life?
I'll be independent, sir. I'll spend time with my parents and relatives in my native.
That's all you will do with 70 crore coming in your bank every year. Wow, fantastic. Your needs are very small.
Thank you,
Yes,
sir.
Milan, sir.
In the first instance, I'll have a jolt in terms of frustration of plenty. I have to deal with that myself internally. A. B is this. I will address some of my needs in terms of the medical this thing, which in this part of the country is little convoluted. So I'll have to address this, and I have to live a healthy life too. 3 is this, then I'll go back to some kind of a foundation where they'll look after the upliftment of the children living in the slums, the stray dogs, stray animals, benevolence of them. I will try and be associated with them, and I try and put money there. So this is more or less a qualitative this thing distribution. Quantitative, I'll think as I get it. This is my basic this thing that I probably will handle this.
Interesting. Yes, Shakti came first, and when after that, Hussaina ji, Hasina ji.
Okay.
Yeah, Shakti, go ahead.
Yeah, I will start some educational trust and do that, and then I'll join Tamil Nadu politics.
You will join Tamil Nadu politics, huh?
Yes, sir.
And she
Okay.
Purachi Talaivi.
Okay, very good. Thank you very much. Yes, Hasina ji. I
Sir,
can't.
this is too much money. So I think I would like to share with the rest of the world, not only India. And I would of course 100% travel around the world.
Okay, very nice. Thank you very much for sharing it. Sandeep ji.
Good morning, sir.
Good to see you. Good morning. Good morning.
Very good morning. So number one is I will make all necessary provisions for myself in terms of insurances and all, so that I don't have to spend too much of money, but I can make a premium payments and I can
70 crore every year. You will make provision for insurance.
Yeah. Still, that is a small, because I want to spend the smallest amount to just ensure that everything goes right. But beside that, and I will make a good provision for my parents, my daughter, for my wife, whatever she wants, so she can get it. And there will be a lot of money left. I will like to use it basically for the budding entrepreneurs. I see too much of talent. They are struggling. They're finding a lot of difficulty getting jobs, but they have got a wonderful entrepreneurial mind. So I will create an ecosystem where, these people can be trained and they can be taken forward. The children who are orphaned, I will like to make some provision for them, and especially the senior citizens who are having no support. I have a big dream actually that I want to create a wonderful facility for them. And beside that, there are health needs, there are education needs everywhere. Whoever is economically backward, I would like to support them. But I will invest all this money in such a way, sir, that the entrepreneurs, when they get all this money, they become strong. They again invest. So this becomes a snowball of investment, and it just grows and it reaches to the maximum number of people.
Okay, great. Thank you very much for sharing that. Who is next? Actually, I'm going to ask each and every one of you to share. And today I put a time bomb in your head, that. Please start thinking, and don't stop thinking. What will you do and how will you live your life if you get 70 crore rupees in your bank account every year? Kuldeep ji, would you like to say something?
Sir, first of all, I also would go to tour of the world tour, and secondly, I would invest most of the money in setting up 2 types of institutions. One is the education, which is in a holistic manner, and secondly, setting up some old age homes.
Wow, fantastic. Thank you very much. Yes, Neeti ji.
Yes, sir. Sir, I have always had this interest to do something for old age people, for orphans, for soil enrichment, for sea animals and waste management. These 5 areas have always interested me. So obviously, I would like to set up some kind of a system or run these things like an institution, so that I feel I've achieved something in my life.
Fantastic. Your friend Sashi ji is also there this morning.
Oh,
Okay.
Yeah, so she's on the screen right now. So Sachi ji, would you like to say something? What would you do if you get 70 crores in your bank account every year without fail? How would you live your life?
I've always dreamt of becoming an industrialist.
Okay.
So with those money, I'll keep increasing my capital.
Okay. Thank you very much for sharing. And we have got Sushil ji. Where is Sushil ji? Let's ask some of the more mature people also to share with us. Sushil ji, where are you? चले तो नहीं गए?
नहीं, बैठा हूं मैं.
आपको जाने थोड़ी देंगे हम. क्या बताइए सर, 70 करोड़ हर साल आपके बैंक में आ रहा है. हाउ वुड यू लिव योर लाइफ? क्या करोगे?
मेरा लीगल ब्रेन बहुत दिक्कत में है.
लीगल ब्रेन दिक्कत में है, क्यों?
सोर्स देखूंगा पहले. फिर टैक्स की प्रॉब्लम आएगी. कहीं मैं पीएमएलए में पकड़ा गया कि ये ब्लैक मनी कहाँ से आ गया तुम्हारे पास.
नहीं नहीं, व्हाइट मनी सर, वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट व्हाइट मनी.
हाँ, तो सोर्स तो चाहिए ना व्हाइट मनी का.
वो आपको राइट सोर्स से मिल गया, चलो माना.
और फिर टैक्स देना पड़ेगा, इसके ऊपर रिटर्नें भरनी पड़ेंगी. आराम से बैठा हुआ हूँ, तंगी में आ जाऊंगा मैं तो.
Okay, thank you very much. Raghu, go ahead.
Good morning, sir. Good morning to everyone.
Good morning. Good morning.
I will give it to the poorest of the poor. Select the 70 things from the country, each country, and then one by one, each month, each year, I give it to them. By the time I come, take a round and come. The first person who I gave in the country, they will be left without anything. So I'll create that circle. So automatically it goes off.
Okay, very nice. All right, anybody else? Vithrivil Shanmugam, please go ahead.
Sir, I have a mission, not like Redikar sir. I have 50-50 share. I will spend 50% for my family and myself on a luxury life because we have Dubai. 50%, I'm just dreaming of a mission to empower youth in the tier 2 cities where they have potential, but they are not realizing and suffering. So for that, I will do youth empowerment programs.
Okay, very nice. Thank you very much. Okay, somebody else? You know, this indirect way of asking you that if you're money concerned, if you stopped being concerned about money, पैसे की चिंता करनी अगर आपने छोड़ दी, तो then what would you like to create in this world? You notice that most people are talking about creating something. Somebody wants to create an industry, somebody wants to create a hospital, somebody wants to create an old age home. Okay? Now, in my small way, I have enough money now that I don't have money concern anymore. So the next thought came, what should I do with it? So I actually thought about, I was sharing with my wife one day that we should open a hospital and a healing center. And you won't believe what happened. Within 2 weeks of that declaration, a person appeared in my life who is not only a doctor, but also a healer. Just the right person to be a part of that project. So the point I'm trying to make here is that money always comes to help you to fulfill whatever it is that you wish to create in life. The way we have lived our life, we are all waiting. Let the money come, then I will see what to do. So most of us are only wanting money for survival, roti, kapda, makan, right? We haven't even thought, okay, if I have abundance of money, if I have tons and tons of money, if I don't have to think about money, if I don't have to think what to do with money, if you don't have to think where will the money come from, how would you live your life? What would you create? And believe me, guys, I'm a living example of that. Whatever I wanted to create, money always came. So if you first think that if I get the money, then I will do this, that's one way of living. Then you may be having to wait for a long time. Or you can make your projects, you can make your choices and say, I'm going to create XYZ in life. Okay? And you'll be so surprised that everything that you need to make it happen. There is a building on Tolstoy Marg. Okay? That building used to be a bungalow of one of our neighbors. Okay? They used to run a printing press in Connaught Place. We used to live in Connaught Place, in our block, so these people were there. So one day we met at a party, and we were just talking. And his father had died recently, and they were having a problem with the press. So I, in my youthfulness, without thinking, I told him, "Yeah, you got such a big koti of yours. Why don't you build a multi-storied building over there?" Okay? अरे यार मेरे पास पैसे कहाँ हैं बिल्डिंग बनाने के. मैंने कहा तुम प्रोजेक्ट अनाउंस तो करो, फिर देखो कितने लोग आते हैं सपोर्ट करने के लिए. You will not believe, within 10 years he had made this huge building over there. Okay? I will not take his name, but he had become also later on the distributor for McDonald's for the whole of North India and all that. Okay? Because when you decide to create something, the means always follow. One day I declared to my late wife, that my daughter-in-law is not going to come in a flat, she's going to come in a bungalow. And she was laughing on me and saying, "Where do you have the money to do that?" I said, "But it's going to happen." And you won't believe, by the time they came back from their honeymoon, we were in a 6-bedroom bungalow in Noida. That's the one which I sold recently. And when I decided to buy that house, the price was 46 lakh. How much money did I have? 4 lakhs. What mistake we generally make is we don't think of creating because we are afraid that I don't have the money, I don't have the means, how will I do it? I don't know how to do it. All the negative stuff comes and we never think of creating anything in our life. What do you think Mr. Dhirubhai Ambani was having some shiploads of money when he started his company? When he came back from Aden, he used to work in a petrol pump in Aden. When I went to Aden, the locals were saying, "See, this is the place where Mr. Ambani was working. It's like a landmark over there." Did he have millions of rupees to start that company? He started the company and then made millions. So I believe that if there is a template in your mind and if you want to create something in your life, then you'll get the means. Not only the money is not the only thing you need. When you decide to create something, you need to know how to do it, no? You need the expertise, you need the support, you need the people, you need so many people. So the moment you choose to create something, and I'm not talking about goal setting, I'm not talking about goals, right? When you send out to the universe, to the energetic universe, your intention to create something, then the means will follow and the money will follow. But see how we live. "No, it's not enough. How is it possible? How can a small man like me do such things? I should have the means." Do you think, Suresh, when our friend Ranjan started that company, he had money? He was an employee. I gave him the first service contract when he started his company. He had just come out of Philips, right? And he used to work for, what's that company, whatever. But these people, they had a dream, they had a vision, they wished to create something. And they created it. And everything that they needed followed. Now you think, what wonderful, magnificent, extraordinary people all of you are. Are you not? Is there a price to be? Do you need money to think about what you can offer to the world? Somebody might say, "Oh, my health is not good. How can I think about making something in this world?" Well, maybe your health will become all right. There's a gentleman, Werner Erhard, who I was following for many years in the landmark programs. He used to always say, health is a function of participation. When you start participating in life, when you have a mission in life, suddenly your health also becomes all right. I have seen this happening to me. Once I came back after traveling 25 days to China, all right? And I came back exhausted after 18 hours of flight. I landed in the morning with a little temperature also, body ache temperature. I had to start a training program at 9 o'clock. Yeah, in a resort near Gurgaon. You won't believe, the moment I started the program, I was completely all right. I was not tired. I was not having any temperature. My body pain disappeared. Everything disappeared. Health is a function of participation. So when we start giving up on our hopes and dreams and our aspirations, because we are looking to find out, and we think, "Oh, this is not possible." Why is not possible, sir? I don't have money. Why is it not possible? Sir, I don't know how to do it, sir. Have you noticed that some brainless people, many of them, they are not much educated or not super intelligent, nothing like that. They go and build such big enterprises. How do they do that? So there is something there which you need to seriously look at, guys. I thought let us put that in the atmosphere today. If you choose to create in your life and start the process of creating it, and then you see if the means are going to show up or not. All you need to do is give up this great logical mind, this doubtful mind, this skeptical mind, the mind which says, oh, no, how is it? It is easy to say, very hard to do. All sorts of negative stuff the internal brain is telling you. Do you want to believe that? Or do you want to believe in yourself and go out and create something in this world? Rajesh Shekhar says he wants to go and live in his native place. Right? What is the cost of living in a native place? Not much, no?
Yes, sir.
So with the savings you are having right now, also you could live for the rest of your life in your native place. See, whatever you are putting out in the world as your objective, that is what you're going to get in terms of money and support. So if you want to create small things, then you will get small only, no? Why would the nature give you 70 crore every year if you don't want to do anything with it? See, money is given so that you can achieve or fulfill whatever your desires are, whatever you wish to create in this world. I'm saying, who told you that you can't start the process of creating now? You can start the process of creating now if you want to. And then the means will follow. The only thing which you require? Believe. Because the old saying goes, as you believe, so shall it be. जो आपकी मान्यता होगी, वही साकार हो जाती है. It is not an accident that Chaiwala becomes Prime Minister of our country. Age is never a constraint, sir. Read about the story of a chap called Buckminster Fuller. At the age of 60 plus, he decided to commit suicide because he was a failure in life. And that guy was standing on the bridge contemplating, should I jump into the river or not? And some voice said to him that if you've decided to kill yourself, you've died anyway, so why don't you start a new life? So that guy at that age started studying mathematics and whatnot, right? And all architects know that there's something called the geodesic dome, and he was the inventor of that, Buckminster Fuller. What about Colonel Saunders, who had retired from the army? And he was 60 plus when he created this KFC empire of his. So age is certainly not a constraint here. Willingness to make a choice. Simple, sir. There are two ways to live your life. You can live your life fully and create something with it. Or you can be a person who says, I am just waiting to die. So I'm making the most of it. Kitne din zinda rahunga pata nahi. I am waiting to die. Which one do you want to be? You want to fill up the gap between birth and death with survival activities, or you want to create something? Choice is yours. There's nothing good or bad about it. One is a little more interesting than the other, isn't it? Living at survival is more interesting, or creating something in life is more interesting? Which is better? Hello, boys and girls. Creating is better. Creating something, isn't it?
Yes.
Good. So after all this masala I've put inside your head, anybody wants to share something about how would you choose to live your life now? Choice is yours. You want to be waiting to die, walas? Or you want to say, okay, whatever little is left in my life, I will do something spectacular and show the world who I am and what I can do. Reminds me of this very interesting quotation which I read from George Bernard Shaw. The guy says, this is the true joy in life. Now listen, what did he say? this is the true joy in life. This being used for a purpose that is recognized as a mighty one. This being a force of nature rather than a feverish, selfish little clod full of grievances and ailments, complaining that the world will not devote itself to making me happy. You know, when I heard this quote, I woke up. So the quote goes on to say, it says, my life is not a brief candle for me. You know, brief candle? थोड़ी देर के लिए जलती है, बुझ जाती है, फुलझड़ी जो होती है. My life is not a brief candle for me. It is a splendid torch. एक मशाल है. It is a splendid torch and I shall make it burn as brightly as possible before I pass it on to future generations. So when I heard that, I said, wow, my life is a splendid torch and I shall make it burn as brightly as possible before I pass it on to future generation. Uske baad mein he adds one more line. He says, because the harder I work, the more I burn, the more I live. Now, that's about making use of every minute of my life 100%. And guys, you have such a wonderful support structure of 33, 34 people here. Okay? This support structure which will support you in whatever way we can. So life is a game. Would you like to play it? And you want to play easy game or the tough game? Which one will you enjoy more? You want to play table tennis with a 4-year-old kid? Yes, Dwarkanath, sir. Go ahead. You have to unmute first. Unmute. Yes, sir.
Tough game is interesting, sir.
Very good. So start thinking, what do you want to create in your life now? Don't think what is possible. Think what you can make possible.
I want to live every moment and be smiling and be enthusiastic.
Yeah, that's
so
great.
Far I was not.
So that's a good start, right? And you can use your enthusiasm to create something in this world also, even now.
Yes.
So think about that. What could you create? That will
And
get
first
you
of
more.
all, your motivation, your face, your smile has become a sort of purpose for me now.
Namaskar, sir. Spread the word. You know, one thing you can certainly do is to spread the message to more people, and you can ask them to come and join. That is
Yes,
one
sir.
way in which you can make a difference.
Yes, that is also one goal now.
Right. Thank you so much for sharing it. Thank you for joining us every morning. Okay, who else? Let's hear from you.
Sir, one should, a visionary, like as you said, like Ambani. I see like that Shanti Avedana Kendra. Okay, it is in 3 places now: Goa, Mumbai, and Delhi. Okay, they also, I don't think they have huge money to do that, but they began, and people came and started contributions. Similarly, in Hyderabad also we have a place called Andari House. I mean, it's everyone's house. Anyone can come, walk in.
So the moral of the story, Suresh Kumar, is
yes, sir. Yes, sir.
You can start creating now if you
Yes.
give up your money concerns.
Yes, sir. Yes,
Okay.
100%. I agree, sir.
So what are you going to create? That's the question I'm asking. Everything fantastic sharing, but why don't you share that now that you realize this thing,
Yeah.
right? What would you like to create in your life? We can all create something, right?
Yes, sir. Yeah.
When I asked this question to myself, I created these early morning conversations. Last year, I created, that first online program. Neeti has done that program,
Okay.
So you can start creating now.
Yes, sir. Yes, yes.
Whatever you wish to create, you can start now. Who's stopping you?
No one.
The only person who's stopping your doubt, no, but I don't have money. How will I do? If I start doing this, how will I earn my money? I'll have to give up my job. No, not required. Everything is possible if you choose to do it. Yes, Madam Janki. Good morning to you. Would you like to share something with us now? And you can smile. It's given, permission is there to smile also sometimes. That's much better. After that will be Anandita.
Once again, sir, my room is quite noisy. Just a minute. Just a minute.
Yeah, after that we will have Anindita, Dr. Anindita to share. Yes, Janki ji.
Yes, sir. This is what would you like to create? In this recent times, maybe I would say 2020-21, I felt like I'm sitting at home so simply, doing nothing because training projects are quite less. So I don't know what to do. So immediately I thought, why can't me taking classes for children? So it was just a thought that came into my mind. And I just shared it with some of my friends that I'm going to start some English classes for children, age group between 6 to 13 and 14. And you believe it or not, when I started with 2 students on the January 1st. I finished per batch, I gave 20 hours of program, and the parent, only two of my friends suggested their own friends who are in need of their children who have to be educated on, because they had the holidays, they are free, something like that. So I started with 2. So I finished 1 batch. They are very much happy, and they asked me, why don't you continue the program? It is not me who decided, okay, this is what I'm going to do. But it was so simple that I started with 2. I finished almost 10 batches now. And I didn't promote my product to anybody. I just told my friends. That's it. And I keep getting admissions from the parents. And I keep at least minimum per month, minimum I get 5 admissions. I didn't take any effort except giving best in my class. So this was the little thought. No investment, nothing I tried, but it actually gave a fantastic result. Without doing that, my day is not good, happy, and fulfilled. So I created something good, and I'm actually enjoying it.
Exactly. And you can keep creating, so if you can create one thing, you can create
Yeah.
another thing, and you can create
Yes.
another thing. Is there a limit
Yes.
to what you can create?
No, not at all.
Yeah, the limit is only here inside this Khalistan over there.
Exactly.
Thank you so
Yes.
much for sharing it.
Thank
All
you,
right,
sir.
Anindita. Good morning.
Good morning. I would, with the money, I would look at buying forest land around the world, just privatizing forest land and just letting it grow. So yeah, that is what the one thing that I would do.
Great. Thank you so much for sharing that. Okay, who else? Come on, guys. Use your imagination. You're getting 70 crore rupees every year in your bank. What would you do with it? See, the moral of the story is don't worry about money. There is enough in the universal bank account. You always get what you want. Yes, sir.
Sir,
Kasa, your turn.
sir, 70 is a very small number, sir. If it's in 700 or 7,000, I have plans in those range. So I'm just waiting for that.
Ooh, what will you? I am simply saying 70 crore every year you're getting. What will you do with it? You will wait for 700 before you start. Huh?
No, I'll
So
start
what will
with
you start
70.
today?
I can start with 70 today. Even if I get today, I have.
No, I say you choose your idea, you plan your project, you will get the means to fulfill it. This is the way it works. Consider that as a possibility. See, instead of waiting that when the money shows up, then I will start my project.
No, sir, the project all is ready. The project is ready. It's just waiting for the fund. You know, trying
Really?
from.
And then you better have a talk with me at some
Yes,
point.
sir.
If you
Yes, sir.
seriously have it, then you should be, there are, you know something, there are maybe 60% things you can do without the money to start with. And the balance you can do when you get the money. So we will discuss about that. See,
Yes, sir.
we need to change this fellow over here a little bit. If you really have a worthwhile project, there are always possibilities how to get going.
So just your heads up, he's looking for a producer, sir.
Let's see. If he's looking for a producer, he will find it also. Who spoke just now?
Yeah. Already one producer also is ready to produce.
Right. Interesting. Shakti was the one who spoke, is it? That you're looking for a producer?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Ah, both of you are friends of each other, is it?
Yes.
Yeah, we are friends. Yeah, we are friends.
Okay. Excellent. Superb. All right. Who's next? What do you want to create in your life and you're afraid to create because you think you don't have enough money? Good to see you today again, my dear friend Sahu Saab. Sorry about yesterday. Would you like to share something with us?
Rajasekharan.
Yes, sir.
Sir, when the moment I go back to my native, there is other projects to continue, which I am doing already. I am, teaching the kids for their leadership skills. So,
Okay, very good.
So once I am free from all these things, I can concentrate fully on that, and more people I can reach. So that kind of things will continue, sir.
All right, great, very nice. Thank you very much for sharing. Okay.
Thank you, sir.
So I want to leave. Yes, who's next? I heard somebody.
I
want
have
to
two
speak.
things. So I have
Yes.
two things. One, like if every day we start celebrate life like our birthday, for the next 364 days, this is my goal, sir.
Wow.
Starting from yesterday, for the next 364 days of celebration, that's the target, sir.
Well, today we celebrated Suresh's birthday.
Yeah.
Right. So every day is a celebration. No, it's somebody's birthday. We can celebrate with them. That will be like our birthday, right? That's a
Definitely.
fantastic thought.
And secondly, sir, I have a project also because it started we discussed on, I've been thinking for a quite long time. The program is called Reach Out, to reach out people who has been emotionally or economically disturbed, in this COVID situation. And through Roundtable, we are looking at to take it to a national and to a global level kind of a program. First, we wanted to looking at one district in and around Salem, sir. And I spoke to the national board and things. They were quite excited about the idea. And if someone interested in volunteering, can definitely contact me as well.
So you can just put your number on put your telephone number on the chat so people can get in touch with you. They'll be happy to help. See, don't start like this.
Sure, sir. I'll post it, sir.
And maybe send me the details. I'll put it on the group. So once people know what exactly it is, then they might get interested in it. It's very interesting, 2 weeks back in our Rotary Club meeting, we were talking about projects that we wish to do, and somebody said, okay, let's do blood donation camp. And immediately many people said, no, because of COVID, it will not happen, this and that. 2 days back, I put up a message on our society group. Okay, our society has 2 towers of 27 flats each and 4 flats on each floor. Okay. And people said nobody will respond. So when I spoke to our committee, we have a managing this society committee and all, they said, no, you first see people be interested. We don't know. So I just put a message, and within 1 day, we've got 11 volunteers already. Okay. We need 35 to put up the camp here. So the point is, if you want to create something, just go ahead and start it. Support will come. I had someone who supported me. Suddenly she said, look, I can't give blood, but I can support you. So she made the group and the poster and this and that. So people will come forward and support you if you have the courage to create something and you declare it and start get going. Yes, Vetri.
Sir, just a quick thing. Chellamuthu sir is joining recently. He hasn't shared or hasn't spoken. Chellamuthu sir, do you want to say something to all of us?
Where is he? I cannot see.
He's
Normally I
from
see the
Tamil Nadu.
newspaper.
So,
Okay,
yeah.
very nice.
Good morning, sir. Chellamuthu
Good
from Tamil
morning.
Nadu, Erode, sir. Erode. I am from Erode, Tamil Nadu, Erode.
Yeah, very nice. Thank you very much for joining us. It's a pleasure to have you with us.
Vetrivel sir only introduced me to this one. He's from last lockdown. He introduced to me. So it is very nice. Every morning it is being positive thinkings and everything is very excellent. I am a general insurance consultant. It is very useful to me. Thank you, sir.
Very good. So you should meet with Mr. Suresh. He's also into the insurance business and he's been a very old friend of mine. So Chellamuthu, thank you very much for joining and we hope to see you every day. Invite your friends, your associates and everybody so that we can
Yes,
all
sir. You can
go
send
on
me
this.
you can send the link in group, sir, so that I can forward to them all, my friends.
Yeah, Vetrivel will do that. You can do that. Great. Thank you very much.
And
Yes,
so,
Dwarkanath, you want to say? Leena
Yes,
wanted to
something
say.
creative has happened in me right now,
Okay.
sir.
Okay, what is that?
That is, I want to know forthcoming people, how young they are, their date of birth, so
What
that
we'll do
we can
is-
wish them in advance and have a list of those things.
Okay.
Except for the women folk, most of the women folk, they will have 2 birthdays. Normally, they want to be younger. They say my real birthday is only 18, but this certificate shows 29. Like
Doesn't
that.
matter. I got your idea and we shall implement it. Thank you very much. Okay, who's next? Next we have Leena ji. Leena ji, please go ahead.
Yes, sir. Good morning and good morning, everyone. Sir, before COVID, now I used to conduct classes for kids. It's a whole brain wellness program, and children shows amazing results. But my actually desire is to every child should go through this program. But problem is that I don't know how to go about it.
Okay, so that you can consult. There are many experts on this who will be happy to give you solicited or unsolicited advice of to how to do it. We'll help you. Don't worry. Thank you.
Welcome, advisors.
Yes, we will certainly. Okay. Yes, Mr. Vilas, आज आप किस सोच में डूबे हुए हो जाएगा संगम.
Good morning to all.
Good morning.
Definitely, I would like to create rather than survival. And once the money is not the area of concern, the life will be without any tension, stress. So it will be a happy life because 90% and above problems because of money. But I would like to create something which wherever I'm getting stopped, like, okay, I want to do something great for my family, my children, my spouse. And whenever the area of concern comes, oh, I have limited money or my money is supposed to come. So that all things will be taken care of. So my family will be a happy family financially and definitely materialistically. But at the same time, I would like to give to the society, start from my family, village and my whichever ways I can in terms of helping financially and support. Because see, one important thing what I thought is the time. So money can give us a lots of time, and the time is the life what we are living. So it will be a worthwhile living because money is not the area of concern. Wherever I want to go, I can. Wherever I want to be with somebody to help, support in my family, in my friends, I will be, because money is not the area of concern. So life will be definitely a different, and I can create lots of opportunities and lots of choices in my life. Thank you.
Thank you for sharing. Okay, so that's it for today. Time to leave. We are already 6 minutes beyond the time. So, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, thank you very much for being with us again today for the 96th session. And please remember my request. It is really heartfelt desire that on the 100th session, we should be 100 people. So I urge you to invite your friends, your families, your colleagues, and everybody. And we will see you in the next session of the Empowering Morning Conversations. Yes, Raghu.
Yeah, I would. The sudden thought came about this 100th meeting. Even if we bring our wives or husband, that will make a lot of difference in the family itself. Plus, who is not married, they can bring their brothers or sisters, whoever. So that, if, yeah, we are in 33, maybe even 2%, like wife or husband, it makes 66.
Yeah,
so maybe brothers or sisters.
Girlfriend also they can bring.
Yeah.
Girlfriend or boyfriend, whatever.
So it is in a reachable limit only. Sudden thought came, so I thought I can share with you.
All right, very nice. Thank you very much for sharing it.
Sir, once again, I want to say, Sir Chellamuthu, sir, those who are